Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I thank you for coming back to watch this video. How y'all guys doing? So, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you want to move, you want to get up and move your body, check out the cardio line dancing classes, 504-251-0674. This is the instructional if you're interested in dancing along to the music. Watch till the end and I'll post the video right here. Just click on the video and we can dance together. Also, speaking of dancing together, we should be dancing together at the NOLA Southern Experience. 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Instructors, you've never been to an event? Take this opportunity. Students, you've been watching my channel for years. It's time to come to New Orleans. So check out my website, registration, and you can book your room right now. Don't wait. www.LMIUNOLA.com, and I'll see you there. So guys, I've been working on a series of dances instructors that you can just call out to those beginners, okay? It's getting ready to be cold. So people are gonna be moving inside. They're not gonna be walking out there at the park, moving inside and coming to your classes. So instead of stopping your class when you get new people, this is something you can do. You can call out, you can cue those steps and keep the class moving. So the name of this line dance is I Want Her, and it's a one-wall dance and it's only 2-part. Let's go. So let's stand on this side, looking in this direction here, and now I want to stand on this side. So stand on this side right here. So here it is, part 1. So it's right, left. So you step up right, you step to the right, come back on the left, then step to the left. So it's a matter of switching your weight, okay? So we start with our weight on the left. So we go right, over right, back left, and over left. So my weight, when I go up, my weight is on the left. When I go over, my weight is on the right. When I come back, my weight is on the right, and then I go over, and the weight is on the left. So right, the weight is on the left. I go over right, the weight is on the right. I come back left, and go over left. So I go up, the weight is on the left. I go up on the right. Up on the right, my weight is on the left. Back over to my right, my weight is on my right. Then I come back on my left. Left, weight is on the right, and then you come back over on my left. So it's right, over right, back left, over left. And you're gonna do that 4 times. So part 1 is 4 times. You do it 4 times, 8 count, 32 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. So think up right, over right, back left, over left, okay? So each time you do part 1, you're gonna do 4 times a 32 count. Then we go to part 2. Part 2 is especially instructors, one of the first steps you teach your beginners is that cha-cha with the rock recovery. Right, up, left, right, left, back, right, left. Step up on the right, up on the left, back on the left, back on the right. Okay? It's 1, 2, up, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. Again, right, 1, 2, left, 3, 4, back, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 7, 8, which is right, left. Okay, now let's do the regular cha-cha. 5, this is part 2. 5, 6, 7, right up cha-cha. 1 and 2, rock, 3, recover, 4, 5 and 6, back, 7, 8, up, 1, 2, up, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, step, 7, 8. 7, 8, which is right, left. Then we're going to do a rock, recover, ballroom turn. They call it a ballroom turn. So that means a rock, recover, half turn, triple step, rock, recover, triple step. So on that ballroom turn, that rock, recover, that means you rock back and you recover forward. So it's right, left, right. Now you got to go back on that left, right, left. You rock back and then you come forward. You rock back, come forward, right, left, right. Don't forget your footwork, which is just triple step. You rock it back again. Left, right, left. And each time you do it, you're making a half turn. Rock, recover, triple step. Rock back, recover, triple step. That's called a ballroom turn. Okay? Now, let's go back to the top for part 2, which is a cha-cha up. And that's slow. Walk up, rock up, and then come back, step right, left, and go into that rock, recover. 5, 6, 7, cha-cha. 1 and 2, up, 3, back, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Up slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Triple. 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Let's do that again. Cha-cha up. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Right up. 1, 2, left, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Triple. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do a cha-cha up again, but we're going to step pivot to the right. Right, left, step, pivot, half. With the right shoulder left shoulder coming forward. My left heel is up. So I did it up on the right. I shuffle up on the right, cha-cha up on the right, step, pivot, half. Now we'll do the same thing on the left. Left, right, step, pivot, half. And that ends part 2. And when I turn, my right heel is up and I go back into part 1. So let's do that cha-cha with a step, pivot, half. Right, step, pivot, half turn. Keep your footwork there. Don't move anything. Just step forward on that left. Left, step, pivot, half turn. Back where I came from. My weight is on my left. I go back up on the right. Let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more times. 1, 2, over, 3, 4. Back, 5, 6, over, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. So, remember on part 1, you should be saying up and over, back and over. Up right, over right, back left, over left. And you do that 4 times. So while you're doing it, you got to put up one finger, up, over right, back to the left. 2 more times. Up, that was in the second time. Remember, we're going to do it 4 times. Put up another finger. Up and over, back, left, over left. 1 more time. Up, right, over okay? So you gotta remember up, right, over, right, back, left, over, left. You gotta do that 4 times. So you gotta count your fingers. That's what you're gonna need to do, okay? Then going up, part 2. One wall dance, cha-cha. 1 and 2, up, 3, 4, rock, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Up, 1, 2, left, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ballroom turn. 1 and 2, left, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Step left, 5, then 6, 7, 8. Then you back at the top. Okay? Check this out. Remember when I said cha-cha up, step pivot half. Don't move this right leg. Don't move it. Let it stay planted there. And go shuffle forward on that left. Left, right, left, step pivot half. Notice I didn't move that leg. I went right, left, step pivot half. When I step forward on that left, I pivot. I didn't move any footwork. Then I go forward on my left. Left, right, left, step, pivot, half. Only that leg that I step forward moves. That other leg does not move. Okay? All right. That's it. I want her. And thinking of I want her, I want you to come to the NOLA Southern Experience. July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. I would love to see you there. I want to give a shout out to everyone who have registered. I see y'all guys, and book your room. Thank you so much for your support. Guys, we always sell out. So y'all guys need to go ahead and get yourself together. www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.